up, y'all? So today I'm going to be showing you one of the methods that I use to install my wigs. I am not going to be making cornrows or doing cornrows, so watch to the end to see how I install my wigs without cornrows. Sometimes I do my base of my wigs with blow-dried hair, and sometimes I do it on wet hair, and today I'm going to do it on blow-dried hair because honestly it's so much easier to twist or braid or even put in a ponytail when the hair is already blow dried. One of the keys to having a perfect blow dry, no matter what blow dryer you are using, is to have sections that are thoroughly detangled. I usually use a blow dryer with a comb attachment, but today I decided to use the REVAIR because I just wanted to be able to sit down and blow dry my hair with it without any work. Once I'm done blow drying, I like to apply some of my handmade hair butter because it reduces friction between my strands so my ends won't naturally retangle because that's what they like to do. Also, a quick note, if you have the REVAIR, definitely comb out your sections after you've done all your blow drying, because if you don't, it is not going to give you the best results. Your hair is going to kind of feel a little stiff, so definitely brush through it. That's why I also applied the hair butter to help with that. So another reason why I decided to blow dry my hair was because I am going to be wearing a Upart wig that is blow dried. Whenever you're doing twists or braids, one key thing to focus on is to make sure you pull through with each stitch. So here you see me struggling a bit. It's because I try to keep twisting without pulling through to the ends to make sure that it's fully detangled. So definitely with each stitch that you do, be sure to pull all the way through to the ends so it removes the tangles. So I'm creating two skinny anchor flat twists so that the combs of the U part can easily go in, but in the back I'm going to create larger twists. And I'm curious, are you a person who does twists for your wigs? Do you like to do individual twists, or do you like to do flat twists, or even braids? Let me know. And comment below if you'd be interested in a video on how to do flat twists on your own hair. So one of the reasons that I like to do flat twists, especially on blow dried hair, is because it's incredibly easy to take down. And I don't know about you, but when it's wash day, I like to have styles in that I can take down within 5 minutes. So flat twists are the way to go, or individual twists, honestly, or even individual braids. And when I say individual braids, I mean like 10 plaits. So one thing I've learned about my hair when it comes to preparing it for wigs is that when it comes to choosing whether I'm going to blow dry it or do it wet, I mean, that usually depends on the type of wig I'm going to wear for the most part. But I will say, whenever I'm going to do my style on dry hair or blow dried hair, it's usually going to be flat twists. And you know, braids are fine too, especially if I'm planning to keep it in longer than a week. But if it is on wet hair, I just washed my hair, put the leave-in conditioner, put all my products in, and I don't feel like blow drying it, it's more than likely going to be braids. And the reason I say that is because whenever my hair, my fine hair, gets in twist when it's wet, it has a tendency to tangle, especially on the takedown process. So I try my best to usually focus on doing braids. And then if I want to add twists on the very ends of those braids, then I will. But I'll be showing that in another video so you understand exactly what I'm talking about. And if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. So just to give you a quick rundown of what I've done here, I initially blow dried it again, and I wanted to get it much flatter, and I decided to flat iron some pieces on the top just to reduce the volume, but I still wanted it to have that natural look, so that's why it's not super duper sleek or straight. And mind you, whenever you're flat ironing super kinky hair, it's not going to get as straight as your typical body wave hair would get anyway, and that's not what I wanted. I wanted that natural look, that natural straight look. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you back here next time. Be sure to share and like this video if you liked it, and I will see you back here soon. Bye.